glued up these strips of hardwood. I'm just going to pass one side through the jointer to smooth them out, and then I'll run them through the planer so they're all the same thickness, and then I'm going to build a little house for the calendar to fit in. I'm measuring to put a couple of shelves, a bottom and 2 shelves here, and I'm leaving about each shelf is about 3/8 of an inch, and I'm leaving at least a little over 1/8 of an inch between each shelf for some extra space for moving. Hopefully that's going to be enough. Two of the pieces that were left over from the wall, I just cut a 45-degree. One is I'm not sure the exact length here right now. What was left over, and this one is, well, it's cut to this length, and this one is just the length of this one plus the width of it, and it's going to be the roof. The real design here, flaw that I made, comes in for the days of the week. Extended to the bottom far, but because there's 3 and because they're narrower, they don't extend in that far. The bottom one wants to fall out. It doesn't stay in very well. It'll stay there, but the slightest little movement. So, fortunately, I just happen to have a piece of same wood, same thickness. It's a piece that I had made from these shelves, and I just happen to have, this is probably the only piece I have left. So it's just a matter of cutting it to length and picking out the same width, and that'll probably work just fine. So I have a little bit of just providing I can glue this on so it'll be strong enough, everything should work out for me.